15 sliced mini cucumbers. I have 5 chopped up avocado. Now I'm gonna come in with some feta cheese crumble, you guys, and I'm just gonna pour a hefty amount of feta cheese. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna use the whole entire container there of feta cheese. Oh, we are off to a great start, you guys. This is perfect for summer. Now check this out. I have some fresh dill here. Ooh, it smells so, so good. And I'm gonna take that dill and I'm gonna take here my kitchen shears, and I'm just gonna chop some of this fresh dill right here on top of the feta and the cucumber slices, you guys. This is the freshest and easiest salad to put together. I love this one for summer. Ooh, I've been craving it. So here we are. We're gonna whip this together in no time. Right on top of that, grab yourself a little bit of salt. Of course, you will season this to your preference. So I'm just gonna do a pinch of salt. Ooh, I love salt with a little bit of that cucumber, and also some pepper. I'll just grind some of that right on top there. So we are moving right along, you guys. We only have a few ingredients. Here now I have some lemon juice. I'm gonna give that a little shake, and I'm gonna pour a few tablespoons of lemon juice right on top here. Now, if you wanted to use fresh lemon, that's totally fine, but this is gonna keep that cucumber and that avocado nice and fresh, give us a little zest and zing to the salad. It's gonna be great. Then I'm gonna come in with some olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, ooh, is so good for a summer salad, wouldn't you agree? And we are gonna pour about a 1/4 cup of olive oil right on top of this feta cheese and this dill. Ooh, yummy. Just a nice light salad here. Now we're gonna take this, we're gonna mix in all of those flavors. Now I just wanna remind you guys, if you're in a hurry and you wanna set this out to serve it, you totally can. I'll probably have some right now. But if you let this sit in the refrigerator, all of these flavors are just gonna marinate together even more, and you know that it is going to be even tastier because that dill is gonna sit right in there. But I love those little pieces of dill seeping through. This salad looks fresh and delicious. Okay, I am so ready for this, you guys. I'm bringing in my bowl. I am not gonna wait. I'm just gonna grab myself a heaping spoonful, and look at that. We have all the dill. Oh, that avocado, that feta cheese looks amazing. You guys, what kind of feta cheese are you using? They had the kind in the block, and then they had the already crumbled. I decided to keep it easy with the already crumbled, but I don't know. Tell me, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? All right, let's dig in here. I love the crunchiness of that cucumber. Ooh. That little bit of lemon juice is so good with the dill, the feta, the creamy avocado, you guys. This is an easy summer salad to whip together, great for any get-together, any barbecue, or in my case, well, just myself to sit around on a Sunday afternoon and dig in. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if there's any way that you would change it up, and we'll see you guys later. Yummy.